banks. One such company which has come out with very strong set of numbers on 56% growth in asset under management on a yearly basis is Capri Global. The stock is trading above the 700 mark, higher by 3.5%, and have been a big wealth creator over the years. Founder and MD Rajesh Sharma is joining us to talk more about this quarter. Rajesh, good afternoon and thank you very much for joining us. Great performance this quarter, clearly, but it's like, riding a tiger, because great performance always increases the expectations of the market and our shareholders. Talk to us about how sustainable is the momentum looking from once you have actually delivered this kind of a number under the belt.
Yes, thank you. So if you look at that on the back of expansion of our gold loan branches of 562, and on the expansion of our MSME Home Loan branches, we added another 30 plus branches last year. So back of this strong expansion, I think we achieved a growth which is about 56% in AUM. And we'll continue to expand another 180, 190 branches in gold loan next year, and about another 30 branches in the MSME Home Loan. Back of both of these expansion, we hope that we'll continue to achieve 35 to 40% AUM growth rate in next 3-4 years. And if you see that this expansion is also coming back, backed by the strong improvement in the asset quality, strong collection efficiency. So overall, it is a good year, and on the back of the strong macro environment and good credit demand, we are hopeful to achieve a good growth.
Rajesh, we also observed that one of the business segments, the relatively newer business segments which you launched, gold loan for example, has scaled up very smartly in the last couple of quarters. Talk to us, what kind of momentum is that business seeing, the growth where you will see it sustain, because at the same time we understand that it is a little competitive business. Everybody loves that business, and traditional companies as well as newer NBFCs.
So you are right. I think gold loan, if you see gold loan portfolio is getting expanded by AUM is increased by public sector bank, private sector bank. So everybody is eyeing for a gold loan. And but gold loan is a big market where still 2/3 of the market is still with the money lenders, dwellers, and mahajans. And the market is shifting from unorganized player to the organized player. So there's a good room adjust for everybody to grow. And that is the reason that not only we will reach to 750 branches, some point of time we'll double these branch network. Plus some point of time we intend to make these gold loan branches convert into loan center where all MSME home loan cross-selling will also start. So we are quite bullish on this segment despite the competition.
Sure. We saw that your overall yields actually have seen some improvement, but your NIMs have come under a bit of a pressure. Now with the rates either remaining flat or actually edging lower, what's the outlook on your net interest margins? What kind of range would you see it for rest of the year?
So net interest margin also come down because our leverage have gone up. And we see next year our net interest margin, which was last year about 8% plus, should go above 11% on back of gold loan proportion overall portfolio is going up, which is a high yield business. Plus the equity infusion have also taken place. So overall net interest margin will significantly go up.
We saw that you had first indicated plans for raising funds, but you deferred it. What is the thought process behind it? Do you need capital, or you would want to raise it at a later date?
So I think we raised, all we know that we raised 1440 crore rupees by way of right issue in the March 2023. And then capital adequacy is 40%. So we felt we don't need any kind of a capital for next 4 or 5 years. While we may raise some kind of debentures and debt, I think, but as far as capital is concerned, company is adequately capitalized. For next 4 or 5 years, we will not require any kind of a capital.
Okay. Also, we see that co-lending incomes have improved. the non-interest income that you earn on car loan origination, that how do you see this pan out from in the next coming quarters?
So car loan distribution business where purely is a fee income business. We don't put any capital and there is no money where to give from our books. It is a purely referral business where 450 locations we are operating for car loan. We build a strong network of our own team and DSAs, where last year we generated about 118 crore rupees of revenue. Our non-interest income have increased from 22 to 33%. Next year going forward, we'll earn at least 50% higher income because we intend to achieve 9,000 crore kind of a disbursement in car.
All right. And
So
lastly, for the
non-interest income percentage will continue to remain stable.
sure.
Yeah, please go
Rajesh,
ahead.
also leave us with your thoughts on asset quality. There have been improvement in asset quality. Where would you like to see it sustained for the next few quarters?
So I think our internal threshold for various products is between 2 to 2.5%. While our asset quality last year have come down from 2.4 to 1.6%, which is very good, will sustain it. But on a business model, our entire pricing and everything has been done in a manner that even at a consolidated level, our asset quality should not cross 2.5% under any circumstances.
All right, Rajesh. Thank you very much for joining us today.